Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. It's incredibly hard to believe that we are over halfway done with this semester now. We have just a few things to do this week, and then I just wanted to give an overview. So beginning next week, we'll have our final signature assignment. And so the behavior change is one of the signature assignments, and the second one is more involving ethics and ethical dilemmas. And one thing that I would say that could probably help is if you review back from week 3, the ethics module and the different ethical viewpoints. Um, the project itself will begin in week 10 and run through the end of the semester. So we will be spending quite a lot of time on it. Um, and just like the behavior change, where there's different steps, the ethics project will also involve the same. So I just wanted to give everyone a heads up that that is coming. This week, week 9, uh, is does not include any new projects because I know we're just finishing um, the behavior change, so everyone should have turned the reflection in. It's been really, really interesting, and I've enjoyed seeing a lot of the perspectives that people have had with their behavior change. Um, this is one of my favorite projects, just because it's so tangible. You actually put into practice something that you want to make a change. Um, so I applaud everyone for completing it. Okay, so for this week, week 9, we're moving in a little bit of a different direction. We're going to start reviewing infectious diseases. You will need to complete the Unit 2 exam. That is 30 minutes. And just make sure that you're in an environment where you can take it at one time. And then you'll also want to just be sure that you're not waiting until the very last day. As many things could be due on Sunday, and so if there's a lot of people doing things, Blackboard may be slower. So you'll take Unit 2 exam, and then we've got the infectious disease folder. So this one we're going to learn more about vaccines and immunity and really dive into what this actually means. This can be a very, very polarizing topic and a hot button issue. And so we do have a discussion board down here, and it's going to be incredibly important that everybody is respectful and professional and um, is not targeting or, you know, just because people have differing opinions does not mean that they can be attacked. This is something that people will lose points, maybe not even just for the discussion board in general, but it could be escalated in nature. So I really, really, really hope that everyone is able to be respectful in to those who do not have the same opinion of them. So what we need to do is this is a podcast, and so I want you to listen to the full episode, and they go really in depth into vaccinations. And so you're going to want to listen to this episode, and then you'll create your discussion board post. So this one is quite lengthy. So you can do bullet points for each question. You don't have to do them in paragraphs, but you do need to make sure that each question is answered completely. And so you'll see they have different points associated with them. And then you'll need to respond to 2 of your peers' posts, and it's 10 points per response. And so the important thing that we'll want to make sure is this is an opinion. Um, right here, this very last bottom point or bullet point. So this is opinion time, but I also, again, expect it to be, um, there's no attacking someone else's opinion. If you are responding to someone that you don't necessarily agree with, you still have to make sure that it's, professional and it's still a meaningful way. So ask a question, expand on a point, but it is not derogatory or attacking. So I'm going to be looking very closely at all of these. And if someone, you do get a response on a post and feel that it may be attacking in nature, please email me, and so that way I can evaluate it if I don't see it right away. So that is the discussion board for this week. And then you have the smart book, the quiz, and then the lab. So all of these are due at the end of the week. And you'll do this folder and then complete the Unit 2 exam. So I hope everyone has a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope everyone has a great week. I think you already said that. Daylight savings time has hit me hard today, so hope everyone does well. Thanks.